Do you wish that you could be making more bundle sales on Poshmark and are wondering maybe why aren't you getting bundle sales? I have several tips here in this video today that will teach you how to be a more bundleable closet and how to make more bundle sales. I've got 8 tips for you that will help you become a more bundleable closet and make more bundle sales on Poshmark. The first 2 of these tips are probably going to seem a little obvious, but you never know what's obvious to other people, and so it's important for them to be said because they're critical, but then the other ones are going to get a little bit more involved and maybe things you're not thinking about. So let's start with the basics and then we'll move forward. The first tip to increase bundle sales on Poshmark is to increase the size of your closet. I think it makes sense. I think it goes without saying that if you have more items, you have more chances of making a sale. But if you have more items, you also have more chances of selling more items to one person. If you have a small closet, let's say you only have 20, 50, 100 items, think about those items. Scroll through your closet. Could you find things that you would want to buy? Are they all in your size? Are they all in your style? Are they all in brands that you know and are familiar with? Like, could you actually make a bundle in your closet? Maybe yes, maybe no. But the point is, if you have more items in your closet, the chances are that you're going to have more things that someone could find, be looking for, put together, and make a bundle out of. The second tip is to source with category, brand, size, style, and outfits in mind. So those are a lot of things, and you may not choose to do all of them. I don't choose to do all of them. But if you are seeking out increasing your closet sizes in tip number 1 and wanting to make more bundles, these are kind of the criteria that make sense in a bundle. So if you bundle by brand, like let's say I like Zara and I like selling Zara, people like buying Zara. I've had people make bundles of 2 or more Zara items, but they also need to be in the same size, right? So you need to also think about size if you want to have a bundleable closet. Now, that's not something that I specifically go out and do because I have a large closet, like 1,200, 1,500, 1,800 items, depending on the day. I have enough. So chances are I'm going to have several mediums. Chances are I'm going to have several larges. So I'm not too worried about that now at this stage in the game. But if you're kind of getting going or you have a smaller closet, you may want to think about maybe I'm going to source specifically for medium, large, and extra large. Or maybe I'm a size extra small. And so I'm going to focus on extra small because I can list my own items as well as other extra small items, and that person could potentially make a bundle. So thinking about the brand, thinking about the size. Then style. Some people, they call it a curated closet. They only want to source boho Western, or they're only going to source jeans, or they're only going to source minimalist, or they're only going to source lag and look because that's the kind of closet that they want to have. That's the kind of person that they want to sell to and will buy from them. So you can think about it based on style. And then the other thing is with outfits. So some people really enjoy making up outfits. And if they find a pretty sweater, they want to go to the jeans section and find jeans that are going to go with it so that they can list both of them, have that for somebody to make an outfit out of. Now, I don't care about that stuff. I'm very plain. I don't deal with that. That doesn't bring me joy. I don't want to go out of my way to deal with that. I order in bulk. And so most of the time, my choices are made for me by the bulk purchases that I make. So for me, I'm mostly considerate about size and brand. I buy a lot of Zara and then I'm kind of conscious of the sizes that I have. I buy a lot of Torrid and I'm conscious of the sizes that I have. Those are the 2 that I mostly pay attention to, but there are lots of people that enjoy the style aspects and the outfit aspects. So those are ways that you can, kind of make you're not pre-making the bundle, but you can stack the odds in your favor that there are bundleable options in your closet by thinking along those lines. And as I said, I do order in bulk. Helpsy Source is my primary, pretty much only bulk source. I purchase pallets from them and I purchase bulk boxes from them. And you can use my code Rebecca the Reseller to get 10% off from Helpsy Source. The third tip is to include a lot of non-size specific items in your closet, because this could be bundleable by anyone and can be added to any type of bundle. So if I'm looking for size 8 jeans and I find them and I want to make a bundle because I want to get the most of my shipping, and you don't really have anything else in size 8 that I like, then I'm kind of stuck. But if you have earrings, I could totally bundle earrings because that's not size specific. Anybody could bundle those earrings. So if you have a lot of different things that are not reliant on size, you have lots of options for people to potentially make a bundle. So these could be things like purses and bags, accessories, scarves, jewelry, non-clothing related things like, if you sell notebooks or home decor or whatever. I'm just a women's clothing seller, so I don't think about any of those things. I like to keep a streamlined operation that's optimal for my processes, so I'm only thinking about clothing, but I do offer jewelry and accessories for this specific reason, for the ability for people to make bundles, add more items, buy more things from me that don't require size specifics. One of the ways that I kind of on purpose add non-size specific items to my closet is by selling boutique items. So I have jewelry for my boutique, I have scarves in my boutique, belts, lots of different things that are not size specific that I specifically have purchased. One, because they're a multiple quantity listing and I love buying something once, doing the work once, and selling it again and again. That's my favorite. But also because they are bundleable items. And so whether people bundle only those items, like boutique items, or they get the pair of jeans and then they add the earrings, they're making bundles. I'm selling more to them, and that's great. So boutique is one way that you can specifically seek out items to add into your closet for this purpose. I do have a course all about my boutique and how I've run a profitable boutique and how to order and how to source and what to buy and all the tips, and I share my vendors list. So if you want to get that course, the link is down below to my academy. And you can use the code VIDEO20 to get 20% off the course if you're interested in learning more about boutique. The next tip to get more bundle sales on Poshmark is to have items that are inexpensive, easy impulse purchases, I guess. And this could be some of the boutique items that I offer, but it could be just smaller, inexpensive items like socks or pajamas or t-shirts. Could be, again, home decor and other kinds of categories. I don't normally think about that because that's not what I sell. But if you have things that are easy to add, that are kind of like a no-brainer, that are inexpensive, kind of impulse purchases, people can just throw them into their bundle to get the bundle discount. Like, I don't know if you've ever done this, but I've totally done this. I've gone in and there's one thing I like. There's not really anything else that I like, but I want the bundle discount because it's good. And so I will, and the thing I'm buying is expensive. And so I'll buy a cheap thing so that I can get that bundle discount and it'll still work out ahead, even if I don't care what that little item is. And so do you want to encourage that kind of behavior? Maybe not, but I don't mind it because I'm willing to give that discount. So for me, my bundle discount is 20%. So I'm willing to give that 20%. So if someone wants to go find something for $5 to add to a bundle of their thing of 50 so they can get that discount, like, whatever, fine, more power to you. Like, I don't care because I'm willing to give that discount anyway. And so you may want to think about some small, inexpensive impulse buys that you can add to your closet so someone who's like me and looking to get a deal can add it in just to get your bundle discount. Tip number 5, have a bundle discount. Like, some people don't have bundle discounts in their closet. It always boggles my mind. I am a huge fan of bundle discounts. I have, of course, I'm Rebecca the Reseller. I have very specific thoughts and tips about bundle discounts. So I did a whole video on that. You can check that out here. But bundle discounts are important. It's a great way to get sales. It's a free tool that you get and you should totally take advantage of it. So if you don't have a bundle discount, you should put on a bundle discount. Number 6 tip is to watch the likes in your news feed and proactively make bundles. So if you periodically go onto your phone and you go to the news feed, you can see who's liked, who's bundled, who's bought something, who's shared, blah, blah. If you go to the likes section, you can see all the people that have liked items. And sometimes you'll notice that Josephine428 liked 3 items and then nothing else. And it's been 42 minutes. Chances are she liked 3 items and she may be waiting for you to send her an offer on her bundle. She may not even have bundled them, but she's waiting for you to send her something. Some people do that. I mean, I don't do proactive bundling as much as I probably should because I'm busy and I'm fine with the sales that I get with as little work as possible, and so I don't go in and do it very often. But if it's been a slow sales day, you best believe I'm in my likes looking to see if anybody's liked multiple items so that I can go ahead and send them a bundle offer. I do it all the time when sales are slow. But because that doesn't happen all the time, I'm not always doing it. But if sales are slow for you, you could proactively watch your likes, liked a few things, they may not have bundled them, and you can go in and make that bundle and send them an offer automatically. You could even send them a comment that says, hey, are you done shopping? I'd be happy to send you an offer. Like, you could do all kinds of things. This is a very manual process, and so that's why I don't really like doing it. There's another way that you can do it that's not manual that we can get into, but this is an easy thing that you can do once a day, twice a day, at night when you're watching TV to go ahead and generate some more bundle sales by watching those likes and seeing what's happening there and proactively making a bundle and sending a bundle offer. The 7th tip I have for you is to run everyday promotions. If you don't know what an everyday promotion is, maybe I coined it, maybe I didn't, I don't know, it's just what I call them. But it's basically a sale that you run all the time that's not on and off. So it's not a flash sale or like a 5 for 25 that you only do every so often. It's like something that you have on all the time, and you tell people about it and you encourage them to bundle the items by following that promotion. So I did a couple of videos now about why I love everyday promotions, and then I think the top 3 bundle promotions that I like. So I will link those videos one right after the other up on the screen. There's 2 videos there that you can check out that I go really into detail about it. But the example I give all the time is I have boutique jewelry items, and so I have an everyday promotion that I publicize in those listings that say, bundle 3 jewelry items from my boutique and I will send you an offer for $35 and free shipping. And that works all the time. I've gotten tons of bundle sales from that. I'm happy to offer them the discount, happy to send out 3 jewelry items to someone, and it's very easy. And because I made the promotion and it's there for them to see, they feel comfortable about taking advantage of it. And so that's why I think it works so well. I'm not leaving it up to chance that someone is going to find 3 items and send me an offer. No, I'm saying, hey, go find 3 and you get a discount. That encourages them. It entices them to make that bundle. So you can do it with not boutique items. And that's why you should check out those videos I mentioned, because I go through it more. But that's my favorite one, and that's the one that seems to work the best for me. But I have had some really good luck with not boutique promotions as well. The 8th tip is one that I kind of mentioned, but this is the automated way. So I said before, you could proactively watch your likes and then send a bundle, or put them in a bundle and then send an offer. And so you could do that manually at night, every night before bed, and that would help you get some more bundle sales. But one way that you could do it that's more automated, that's less time consuming, and what I choose to do is use the My Shoppers feature on Poshmark, because you can set it to add all the people's likes to a bundle. Then you can set it to send an offer on all of those bundles, and you can also set it to send out comments. Now, I've done, again, 2 videos on My Shoppers. One is explaining like how it works, my proven strategy, how I get like up to $1,000 in sales. I've gotten a couple hundred, I've gotten $1,000 in sales just from doing this My Shopper strategy that I talk about in the video. And then I did a video that was like all the mistakes that you could make when using My Shoppers, because I see that often too. So check out those 2 videos about My Shoppers. But If you want more bundle sales, using my shoppers to help you get them is a great way, and it's super automated. So I would highly encourage you to take advantage of that because it will do all the work for you, and then you can end up with some nice bundle sales. So I get lots of bundle sales. I would love more bundle sales because who doesn't want to sell more than one item to a customer? It just saves time and effort and energy to send out a couple of items to one person. I love it. It's a win-win for me as the seller. It's a win-win for the buyer because they get to spread that shipping charge and that shipping cost over multiple items, so they feel like they get more value out of their purchase. And so I feel like bundles are just a really good thing. And for us as resellers, so much of the work that we do is one-off stuff. I buy one item, I sell one item, I list one item. Ugh. It's one. And so anytime you can increase your cart size and anytime you can sell more than one item to a buyer is a good thing and saves you time and effort. And so the next video I do, be sure to stay tuned, is going to be some of my top bundle sales so that you can really see some of the tips and tricks that I've talked about in this video, how they've actually worked out in terms of sales. So be sure to subscribe and watch that video next week. And if you are interested in all of the things that I have to offer, every video, go ahead and give it a like. And while you're down there, check out the description because that's where I give all of my recommendations, tools, everything that I have for you, everything that I've researched, all the products I use, all the affiliate discount links I have, they're all there for you, including my free Poshmark strategies checklist, which I hope you will get in the description below. Thanks, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.